Hello students, today we are going to learn features of services, Commerce 2, FYBCom Semester 2. Humans have various needs and wants, and these needs and wants are fulfilled by various goods and services. What are goods? Goods are anything which are tangible in nature, which can satisfy a human want. Then what are services? Services also satisfy human needs and wants, but services are intangible in nature. We cannot see services, we cannot touch the services. So, service sector is the collective name given to all types of services such as banking, insurance, tourism, retail trade, transport and telecommunication, catering, and courier services, etc. What is the meaning of service? As we said, goods are tangible in nature, but services are intangible in nature. According to American Marketing Association, services are activities, benefits, or association which are offered for sale or are provided in connection with the sale of goods. In simple words, what can we say that? Services are any activities or benefits which a person do for the another person in exchange of money. Features of services. Services are highly perishable. Perishability. Services are highly perishable. Unused services cannot be stored like industrial products. Services, if not used once, they are lost forever. For example, empty berths in a train or unsold seats in a cinema hall represents a service capacity which is lost forever. Intangibility. Services are intangible in nature. We cannot see services, we cannot touch services. Services do not have a material form. For example, a teacher teaching in a classroom. Teacher is teaching in a classroom, she is delivering her services to the students, but the students cannot see the service. Inseparability. Services cannot be separated from the service provider. The service provider has to be present at the time of delivering the services. So, the service provider and the service receiver, that is the customer, has to be physically present at the time of giving or receiving the services. Example, an electrician or a doctor or a beautician has to be physically present to provide the service. Heterogeneity. Services are highly non standardized. Services are inconsistent in nature. The services which are provided differs from one service provider to another. The service performance may differ from one service provider to another service provider, and this may be highly inconsistent. Let's take an example of the telecommunication industry. The services which are provided by Airtel may be different from the services provided by Jio. Or let's take an example of a teacher who is teaching a subject. A teacher teaching a subject may have different strategies or may have different techniques. Another teacher who is teaching the same subject may have different teaching techniques, different teaching strategies. So, therefore, we can say that services are highly heterogeneous. Changing demand. Demand for services fluctuate widely. The demand for services may be seasonal or it may change by hours, days, or weeks. Services cannot be produced in anticipation of demand. Like goods, services cannot be produced in anticipation of demand. For example, visitors to hill station are maximum during the summer season and minimum during the winter season. Here we saw that the demand for services is highly seasonal. Non-transferability of ownership. Services have no ownership. Customer can pay for the service but he cannot own it. The ownership of the service cannot be transferred from the service provider to the customer. A purchaser can access to service but not the ownership of the facility. Let's take an example of a customer visiting a hotel. The customer is paying for the hotel rent and he will be enjoying the facilities provided by the hotel, but he cannot claim the ownership of the hotel for that day. So, what we learned? We learned various features of services. And what were the features? perishability, inconsistency, change in demand, non-transferability of services, inseparability. And that's it, students. Thank you.